Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an interesting problem on our hands. Picture this: you're working on your computer late at night, and suddenly you realize your files are all over the place. You need a way to quickly organize them without spending hours doing it manually. Sounds like a familiar issue, right? Now, let's dive into the problem at hand and find a solution together. Now, let's talk about the solution. The solution to our file organization problem lies in using the built-in feature called Smart Folders on your Mac. These smart folders act as virtual folders that automatically gather files based on criteria you set, such as file type, date modified, or keywords. By setting up smart folders, you can easily access and manage related files without having to sort through them manually. Problem solved. To create a smart folder, simply go to the Finder on your Mac, click on File in the menu bar, select New Smart Folder, and then set your search criteria. Once you save the smart folder, it will continuously update itself with files that match your specified criteria. It's like having a personal assistant for your files, keeping everything neatly organized for you. And the best part is, it saves you time and effort in the long run. Isn't that neat? In conclusion, by utilizing smart folders on your Mac, you can say goodbye to the chaos of scattered files and hello to a more organized and efficient workflow. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below sharing your favorite file organizing hack. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing!